Here we are, guys. We are on our last video for this particular towel, the Simple Beginner Rigid Heddle towel. We did our 1 inch of color C, and then we did 3 inches of color B. We did 14 inches of color A, minus the purple right here. No, excuse me, this is my B. My A is an actual, if I can show it, I don't know if we can see it, but it's a lighter purple. But anyways, and so we're to the end, and what I wanted everyone to practice was the cutting away the plies, whether you're using a 2-ply, 3-ply, or 4-ply, cutting them away so that way once this is washed, those ends will tuck right in there and not be as visible on a size 3 or size 4 yarn, which would be a 3-plier worsted weight, depending on where you live. So we're going to finish this with doing a hem stitch. We started doing the hem stitch, so now let's finish this by doing the hem stitch. I have come to the end. I have left my yarn 3 times, so if you were to go back and forth across 3 times, I've left a tail 3 times the width of my fabric, and now I'm ready to do the hem stitch. So I'm right-handed, so I'm going to come to the right side, and I'm going to go under 2 warps, and make a knot, of course. There we go. All right. I've got to go back around those same 2, and then I'm going to go down into my fabric. Here's my first pick right there, or my last pick, I should say. I'm going to go in between my last 2 picks right there. And I'm going to pull taut. All right. And then I'm going to go under the next 2 warps. Pull through. Now we're going to wrap back around those same 2 warps, and we're going to go in between the last 2 picks, pulling taut, going up under the next 2 warps, wrapping around those same 2 warps, and down in between the last 2 picks, pulling taut, going up under those next 2 warps, wrapping back around those same 2 warps, and we're going to go up into the last 2 picks. We're going to do this one more time. Under the next 2 warps, back around those last 2 warps, up through the last 2 picks. And I'm going to do this and continue across, and then we'll pick up here at the end so that I can remind you how to hide our tail.